Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and whether you're looking for the perfect gift for a new homeowner or just sick of having mismatched measuring utensils, then this measuring cup and measuring spoon set is perfect for you. It comes with every measuring unit that you will need for both liquid and dry ingredients. Now, I love the completeness of this set. The spoons in the measuring cups here are both made of stainless steel metal, and they're very durable. Not only does it come with the measuring cups and spoons, but also these measuring cups as well. It comes with 3 different sizes, which gives you plenty of options no matter what you need. I really appreciate that on all 3 measuring utensils, it comes with standard and metric measurements. So no matter what your recipe calls for, you can be sure that you're measuring accurately. My favorite feature on the stainless steel measuring cups is the fact that the measurements are engraved very clearly, but also the cups contain multiple measurements. On the one cup, it shows you the 3/4 line and the 1/2 line. That allows you to use the same cup multiple times when you're cooking, so you don't have to dirty up all the dishes. Both the spoons and the measuring cups come on D-rings, which make it really easy and convenient to be able to store. The plastic measuring cups are stackable too, so they go away nice and neat for storing. It also comes with a super helpful measurement magnet, and this just really helps you to have a quick reference right in your kitchen. Whether you're thinking of getting this for somebody as a new home gift or using it in your kitchen, you will absolutely love that you have all the tools you need in this awesome measuring cup and spoon set. And that's my point of view.